We all yearn for that special someone, a partner to share life's adventures. This quest for love is a journey that transcends time and space, a universal pursuit that connects us all. Whether we are young or old, from different cultures or backgrounds, the desire to find a soulmate is a common thread that weaves through the fabric of humanity. We dream of a love that sets our souls on fire, a connection so profound that it feels like the stars themselves have aligned just for us. This kind of love is often depicted in stories and movies, where two people meet and instantly know they are meant to be together. Someone who understands us deeply, who can see into the depths of our hearts and minds. This understanding goes beyond words. It's a silent communication, a shared look, a knowing smile. It's the comfort of being with someone who gets you, who knows your quirks and loves you all the more for them. Someone who accepts us completely, with all our flaws and imperfections. This acceptance is the foundation of a strong and lasting relationship. It's about being loved for who we are, not for who we could be or who we should be. It's about finding someone who sees our true selves and embraces us wholeheartedly. This desire for love is universal. It's a beautiful thing that transcends boundaries and brings people together. Love knows no limits. It doesn't discriminate based on race, gender, or age. It's a force that unites us all, reminding us of our shared humanity. You might picture someone tall and handsome, someone who exudes confidence and charm. Physical attraction is often the first spark that draws us to someone, but it's just the beginning of the journey. Maybe they have sparkling blue eyes and a warm smile that lights up a room. These features can captivate us, making our hearts skip a beat. But true love goes beyond appearances. It's about the connection that lies beneath the surface. Perhaps financial stability is important to you. In a world where security and comfort are often linked to financial well-being, it's natural to seek a partner who can provide a stable future. But love is not just about material wealth. It's about building a life together, sharing dreams and aspirations. It's natural to have preferences. We all do. These preferences are shaped by our experiences, our values, and our desires. They guide us in our search for a partner, helping us to identify what we truly want in a relationship. But in the quest for love, have you considered what you bring to the table? It's easy to focus on what we want in a partner, but it's equally important to reflect on our own qualities and what we can offer in a relationship. Finding your perfect match starts with looking within. Self-awareness is the key to understanding what you need and what you can give. It's about recognizing your strengths and weaknesses, your passions and fears. It's about understanding yourself, your values, and your aspirations. When you know who you are and what you stand for, you can attract a partner who shares your vision and complements your journey. Are you ready to embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery? The quest for love is not just about finding someone else, it's about finding yourself. It's about growing, evolving, and becoming the best version of you. And in that process, you may just find the love you've been searching for. Before seeking love outside, we must turn our gaze inward. Self-awareness is crucial. It's about acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses. Embrace your individuality. Celebrate your uniqueness. Take some time for introspection. Reflect on your past relationships. What worked well? What could have been better? Learn from your experiences. They hold valuable lessons. This journey is about understanding yourself deeply. It's about recognizing your own worth. Only then can you attract a love that mirrors your true essence. Each of us possesses a unique set of qualities. Think about what makes you special. Are you kind and compassionate? Are you funny and lighthearted? Do you have a passion for adventure? Write down your positive traits. Don't be shy. These are the gifts you bring to a relationship. These qualities make you, you. Remember, you are worthy of love just as you are. Embrace your authenticity. Let your true self shine through. Love is a two-way street. It's about giving and receiving. What do you offer in a relationship? Are you a good listener? Do you express your feelings openly? Are you supportive of your partner's dreams? Think about the qualities you appreciate in a partner. Do you embody those qualities yourself? Like attracts like. The more you cultivate positive traits within yourself, the more you'll attract those qualities in a partner. Love thrives on mutual respect, understanding, and shared values. When you give love freely, it has a way of finding its way back to you. Section 5. Love's reflection. What does your ideal partner seek? Now let's shift our focus outward. Imagine your ideal partner. Picture them in your mind's eye, standing before you, a reflection of the qualities you admire and cherish. What qualities would they find attractive? Would they be drawn to a radiant smile, a kind heart, or perhaps a sharp intellect? Would they be drawn to someone confident and independent, someone who walks with purpose and knows their own worth? Would they value intelligence and a sense of humor? Imagine the laughter shared over witty banter and the deep conversations that stimulate the mind. Visualize your ideal partner clearly. See them in different scenarios, interacting with the world around them. What kind of person would they be compatible with? Would they seek someone who shares their values and dreams, someone who complements their strengths and supports their weaknesses? Would they be drawn to someone who is adventurous and spontaneous, someone who loves to explore new places and embrace the unknown? Or would they prefer someone more grounded and routine-oriented, someone who finds joy in the simple everyday moments and brings stability to their life? Understanding what your ideal partner seeks helps you recognize the areas where you align and the areas where you might need to grow. It's a journey of self-discovery and mutual understanding. It's about recognizing the dance between two souls seeking connection. Each step, each movement, a testament to the harmony and balance you both strive to achieve. Think about the values and principles that guide their life. Are they compassionate, empathetic, and understanding? Do they seek a partner who mirrors these qualities? Consider their passions and interests. Are they looking for someone who shares their love for art, music, or nature? Someone who can join them in their pursuits and celebrate their achievements? Reflect on the emotional connection they desire. Do they seek a deep, soulful bond where both partners feel seen, heard, and valued? A relationship built on trust, respect, and mutual admiration? By understanding what your ideal partner seeks, you can better align yourself with those qualities. It's not about changing who you are, but about growing into the best version of yourself. Embrace the journey of self-improvement and personal growth. As you evolve, you'll find that the qualities your ideal partner seeks are already within you, waiting to be nurtured and expressed. In the end, it's about finding harmony between two souls, each bringing their unique light to the relationship. Together, you create a constellation of love, trust, and shared dreams. Section 6. Bridging the gap. Transformation and growth. Sometimes finding our perfect match requires us to grow. Just like a caterpillar must transform into a butterfly, we too must undergo our own metamorphosis. It's about identifying areas where we can improve. Reflecting on our strengths and weaknesses helps us understand where we need to focus our efforts. Maybe you want to be more patient or understanding. These qualities can enhance our relationships and make us more empathetic partners. Perhaps you want to be more adventurous or outgoing. Stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to new experiences and connections. Personal growth is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of learning and evolving, much like the changing seasons. It's about embracing the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Each day offers a new opportunity to reflect and grow. It takes courage to step outside your comfort zone. Trying new things can be daunting, but it's essential for personal development. But the rewards are immeasurable. Achieving personal goals brings a sense of accomplishment and joy that is unparalleled. Embrace the opportunity to learn and evolve. Whether it's through reading, taking a class, or exploring a new hobby, every effort counts. Each step you take towards self-improvement brings you closer to the love you desire. Remember, the journey of transformation and growth is a beautiful one, filled with endless possibilities and rewards. Just like planting a tree, the seeds of personal growth take time to flourish. Nurture them with patience and dedication. In the end, the transformation you undergo not only benefits you, but also enriches the lives of those around you. Embrace the journey and watch as your world transforms in beautiful ways. Section 7. Embracing the journey of self-improvement. Self-improvement isn't about changing who you are. It's about enhancing your strengths and addressing your weaknesses. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Start by setting small, achievable goals. Maybe you want to read more books or learn a new skill. Perhaps you want to prioritize your health and well-being. Every step you take matters. Remember, this journey is for you. Embrace the process with an open heart and a willingness to grow. The love you attract will be a testament to your commitment to yourself. Section 8. Radiating confidence and authenticity. Confidence is attractive. When you believe in yourself, others are naturally drawn to you. Embrace your strengths. Celebrate your accomplishments. Don't be afraid to let your light shine. Authenticity is equally important. Be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. The right person will love you for who you are, flaws and all. When you embrace your authentic self, you send a powerful message to the universe. You declare that you are worthy of love just as you are. Section 9. When love finds you. Love often arrives when we least expect it. It has a way of sneaking up on us when we're not looking. Trust that the universe has a plan for you. Continue to work on yourself. Nurture your passions. Engage in activities that bring you joy. When you're living a fulfilling life, love will find its way to you. Remember, you are worthy of love. Believe in the power of the universe to bring you the love you deserve. Section 10. A lifetime of love. Finding your perfect match is a beautiful thing. But remember, love is a journey, not a destination. It requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to grow alongside your partner. Cherish the moments you share. Communicate openly and honestly. Support each other's dreams. And never stop dating each other, even after years of being together. Love is a precious gift. Nurture it, cherish it, and let it fill your life with joy and happiness.